You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
We are pleased to show you the 2019 A7. Emotion-packed design, sporty character, and innovative technology. Audi is targeting a new market segment with the A7. This vehicle has less than 800 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: clock, brake assist, tachometer, steering wheel controls. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.